Did you know history's greatest book on happiness was written by a man awaiting his own execution? In 524 CE, Boethius was the most powerful intellectual in Rome, serving as chief minister to King Theodoric. He had everything: wealth, status, respect, influence over an empire. Then overnight, it all vanished. False accusations of treason landed him in a cold prison cell. Death was certain. His shock was complete. But in that darkness, something extraordinary happened. A vision appeared to him, Lady Philosophy herself. She taught him a truth that would echo through centuries. External circumstances cannot touch inner peace. True happiness comes from wisdom and virtue, not wealth or power. He began writing furiously, creating The Consolation of Philosophy as conversations with this divine teacher. When his execution came, he faced it with calm acceptance. His death created a masterpiece that comforted everyone from Dante to modern therapists. Sometimes our greatest wisdom emerges from our darkest moments.